Hi guys. Lee emailed out last week that parent teacher conferences are going to be virtual this year, and that's just one of the changes. So, another one of the changes is how we have parents sign up for it this year. Because they're virtual, we're going to need to have them have a Meet link. So, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to do appointment slots on Google Calendar, which automatically will set up a Meet link. Plus, the parents are picking the time, and it saves you some time trying to schedule them. The other thing that's different about them this year is instead of it being more on us leading the conferences, the students are going to lead the conferences. So make sure when you tell your parents that they need to set up appointment times, that they need to have their student pick a time as well, that they will be there because the students have to be there because they're going to be leading the conference and they're going to be going over their portfolio. So they could be talking about their future goals, um, what they've done with their portfolio, their goal for this year, anything like that. So, um, student has to be there and they're going to have to sign up with the student email account. This makes the Meet link a little easier for a couple reasons. If they sign up with Yahoo or AOL or their company email, it won't automatically create a Meet link because it's not a Google entity. So having the student account assures that the student should be there and that they get that automatic link. Um, so super easy to create the appointment slots. So you're going to click on the day. So you need to go to the week to start this. Then on this screen, you're going to go ahead and go to appointment slots. You also want to make sure to hit add the Google Meet. So appointment slots, switch this to every 15 minutes. And then you can title it whatever you want. Then you actually, to make it a little easier on yourself, go to more options. So I'm actually going to walk through this twice because I'm going to go ahead and create two of these. So there's a break for me for dinner. That way I don't have parents making appointments when we normally eat dinner at 5 o'clock because we know how quickly we devour the food. So that way I don't have to come back and figure out when I'm going to eat. Okay. So then go to the does not repeat, and you can do this, add it automatically in for Thursday, so you don't have to do this process again. So on this one, you'll go to custom, pick Thursday, and then have it end on that Thursday of conferences. So then you'll just click the 12 and hit done. So this automatically makes the appointment slots. I'll show you what the appointment slots look like later. I'm also going to have a second video that walks through it from the parents' side because it looks slightly different for them. And that way you can share that with parents so they know the process and how to do this as well. So then I'll go save. And then it automatically pops up on my calendar. So I'll walk through the second one after dinner. And I'm just going to title it the same thing. And change this to 15. Go to more options. Take it to 8. Go to the does not repeat again. Pick custom. Click on Thursday. Click the on. And then click your 12. Hit done. Then save. So now you have your appointment slots. So to get your link, you're going to just click on the event, click to go to appointment page, and then you'll just need to copy that link. So if you notice, it takes you to that live, the week that we're on, the current week. So parents will have to click through to the week of November 9th. And all they'll need to do is they click on this they can change it to their name. So I'm just going to go through this example. So they'll type it in and then they hit save. And then it's been saved. So no one else can sign up for that, and you can see it. You can also edit it on your calendar. So if someone, like let's say they decide they need to switch or something, you can go in and add the link. So you're going to hit, so then if you just don't want it anymore, you can go delete and it won't show up and it'll be back available once you refresh, which will take you back to the current week. So I'll go ahead and do another video for you on how to send out to parents. And the big question is, of course, when do we have to have these done? Mary Lynn said she would like them done by October 19th. So they're just all scheduled. And that way we have 2 weeks for parents to be planning for it. So if you have any questions about this process, please feel free to email me or stop in and I can help you with it.